Hello everyone, in this video I'll tell you how to log out from your WhatsApp only if you're not sure if you have logged out on your laptop WhatsApp web. Here's an easy quick trick to do it. Now you click on the three dots on top right corner, you see an option of link devices, right? You click on link devices, that means the devices that are connected to your WhatsApp will be shown here, right? So we can see one device is logged in. You click on that and you see option of log out. You click on log out and it will take some time, and the WhatsApp will be logged out from that particular device which you don't want to log in. So without going to your laptop, you can easily log out from your WhatsApp only using your phone on an Android phone. I would suggest you to go to the link devices and check again if it has actually been logged out or not. Also, to add on to this information, when you're logging out, you click on that device, right? Like before clicking on the logout option, you see there is mention when was the last time you were active on that device. So you will know whether you were the one who was active or someone else was. So it will be helpful to detect such problems if they arise. Rest you will normally know what time you were active. So this information is also available, right? That's how we do it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Tada! And yes, don't forget to check out the video in which I have told you how to log in your device. Okay?